and welcome to YouTrip Podcast. We are coming to you live from Saturday 2026 Yashobhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. We are here to talk to one of our travel agents to understand what is really shaping the world of travel this year. Let's get started. All right. To start us off, could you please introduce yourself in one line, your name, your company's name, and the city that you operate from?
My name is Anuj. I'm working as a director in ATH Vocations. We are located in Pathankot, Punjab.
All right. So, Anuj, with everything that is going digital these days, why do
Yes.
you think the clients should still choose travel agents?
On this, I would like to say that myself, I have already traveled 33 countries. So basically, my purpose was to explore the destination that I can guide my guests the best. So I think travel agents, people do prefer travel agents because we can guide them the best, which destinations are best for couples, which destinations are best for teenagers, students, group tours. So that's why rates also and transportation, everything. And if you are belongs to a local, so trust is also.
All right, all right. So, in one line, what would you say is the toughest part of being in the travel industry?
Uh, I think nothing is toughest in travel agency when you coordinate with the trustworthy travel agency.
All right, that's I think a fair point. Now, let us lighten it up a little with a quick rapid fire question round.
Okay, ma'am.
And I would request you to keep the answer short, crisp, and in fact witty if you want. So, what do you think about group tours? Are they easy to manage or are they a complete nightmare?
No, they are easy to manage.
Easy to
Yeah,
manage. Okay. Budget clients, are they a blessing or are they a stress test?
not stressed, bless.
Okay. All right. According to you, what will be the most happening destination in 2026?
Bali, Thailand.
Okay. So, if you could go to any one destination completely free, where would you go?
I want. Then I will would like to explore Europe,
Okay. All right.
Schengen.
Okay. What is the most common excuse you hear from your clients for delayed payments?
Not,
All right, well, that is good. What is the one myth about travel agents that is completely wrong?
uh, the myth is that they charge too much, and actually we are dealing in B2B only, so our rates are very genuine in the city.
Okay, all right. Which is that one destination that you can sell forever?
Thailand.
Okay. If we talk about weekend work, is it normal or is it a nightmare?
No, it's normal.
It's normal. Okay. Are clients choosing experience or luxury these days?
Both.
Okay. Now, coming back to the business side of things, what is your travel business best known for?
Air ticketing and visas.
Okay. What all destinations do you majorly deal in?
Majorly, we have much volume for Southeast Asian countries like Bali, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia.
Okay, all right. What is the most unique client request you have ever received?
Not such.
Okay, all right. So, what is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
Like to manage the transportation, coordinate when guest arrives.
Okay. Talking about industry realities, what matters more today? Is it the price or trust?
Trust.
Okay. What is one thing that online portals can never replace?
Human trust.
Okay. What is the biggest change you have seen in today's Indian traveler?
Solo travelers, backpackings, budget traveling.
Looking ahead, where do you see your travel business 5 years from now?
Would wish to open new branch in Southeast Asia.
All right, all the best for that. So, if someone is starting as a travel agent today, what should their first focus be?
Regarding, I mean that he or she should be aware of every destination's major sightseeing activities.
Okay. Now, in just one word, why should someone book with your company?
Reasonable rates, B2B services.
Okay. If you could speak to your younger self on day one of this journey, what would you tell him?
वही तो कि वर्क किया जाए, इसका गेस्ट की क्वेरी पे प्रॉपर जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट आती है उसको प्रॉपर रिकॉग्नाइज करके एग्जीक्यूट किया जाए।
Okay. ठीक है, now before we wrap up, I would love for you to look into the camera and share one piece of advice for your fellow travel agents.
मैं अपने फेलो ट्रैवल एजेंट से यही रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि जब भी गेस्ट की क्वेरी आती है, जैसे मैं समझ जाता हूँ कि वो क्या उनकी नीड्स हैं, क्या वो चाहते हैं, सो सिमिलरली उस चीज़ पे वर्क करके एग्जैक्ट गेस्ट को वो चीज़ प्रोवाइड करवाई जाए, ताकि गेस्ट हमेशा सेटिस्फाइड रहे और दोबारा हमें उनकी क्वेरीज आती रहे और वो और भी गेस्ट को सिमिलरली सुजेस्ट करें, ताकि हम और अच्छा बिजनेस कर सकें।
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been a fantastic conversation. And I'm sure that the viewers who are watching this, especially from the travel industry, I'm sure that they will gain something insightful, something meaningful from our discussion here at
Thank you
Sate
so much.
2026. Thank you.
Thank you.